dad was a great driver, and him and his buddies would just kind of start getting mad at me, like, all you need is seat time. You're the biggest problem here. I'm Sean Thomas from Red Bluff, California. It's a 7914 with a LS1 with a few goodies on it. It's pretty mild, but it's got more than enough power because the car is so light. It's probably been in the family for almost 40 years now. My dad had it when I was a kid, and I've just always loved this car. We've had dozens of hot rods over the years, and I don't know why, but this was always my favorite car. When I was a kid, I remember I was 16, my dad had a 406 sprint car engine in this thing, and he'd actually let me drive it when I was 16 years old. So I have the fondest memories of this car and nothing else. It's had many different motors, but this is the first time I've had what I really wanted, which is the aluminum block, aluminum everything, and the LS. So that's the big difference between the old days and the boat anchor small block Chevy. So obviously, since it's a mid-engine car, it's got a ZF transaxle, which is one of the few that can actually put up with a lot of torque, a lot of power. They basically ran them in the Panteras and GT40s, and so that's what allows me to do whatever I want engine-wise. Because whenever you try to run that Porsche stuff, they pretty much blow up with any torque. Did the road course this morning, so the 3S will be this afternoon. Did the autocross. I finally got one really good time. It's kind of what I was shooting for. Got her in the 34s. And then the drag racing, which I kind of expected to be boring, ended up being a lot of fun. It did about where I thought. I know if I could get a little more practice with a good launch. It's probably been 25 years since I've drag raced. It got an 11.8-ish and not too bad. I know it's got a lot more than that. I probably could have touched 11.5 with a good start. I desperately just need to get some seat time because I know the car is plenty fast. I'll definitely be back next year. Hopefully a little more sorted. Maybe I can actually compete.